Well, who's a fan of burrito bowls? I am, my family is, my husband is, my baby is, everybody is a fan of burrito bowls. Why? Because they're tasty and they're quick. So let me show you how to do it and let's get to cooking. Typically, I would start with the protein, but for now, I'm gonna start with the sauce. It is so easy to do. All it is, by the way, you can make this ahead. It is your favorite non-fat Greek yogurt. Why not be a little healthier? Then you're gonna add in some lime juice. I love to use the Blackstone's tequila lime, but you certainly don't have to. It adds a great pop of flavor. Then you're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper, and that is it. While we're at it, we're gonna head on over to making our pico de gallo. It is so simple. Don't buy this in the store, y'all. Grab a couple of Roma tomatoes, chop them up real fine. Then you're gonna grab a Vidalia or a sweet onion. Now, some people use red onion. I'm gonna do the sweet onion. Take your jalapeno, also get a nice chop to that. You can ex-nay this out of your recipe, but this really jazzes it up. You're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to this, some garlic, a little bit of olive oil, toss it around, and that is done. We've got all of our pre-made things done, like our pico de gallo, our sour cream sauce. Now on to that steak. By the way, busy individuals like me, tip, go to your butcher, ask him to cut whatever cut of steak that you want into little strips or pieces. Really truly saves me so much time in the kitchen and at home. Also, side note, you want to have that Blackstone really sizzling hot on the highest setting you can. While it's on here, you really don't need much marinade other than a little bit of olive oil and the Blackstone fajita seasoning, one of my favorites. And another great tip that you definitely want to use with your burrito bowl, buy that microwavable quick ready rice, but you don't have to microwave it. We're going to toss it on top of the griddle here, and we're gonna add a little bit of water to that, and we're just gonna move it around a little bit. Now this is basically acting as your microwave, but what's cool about it is it's all in one, so you just have to stay in one place, right here on the griddle. This is gonna need a couple minutes to cook, so we'll be right back. Time to build the bowl. Now, of course, you need your bowl, and you're gonna go grab that rice that you sauteed with your steak. You're gonna plate your rice first at the bottom of the bowl. I like to do it in separate parts of the bowl. It really makes the bowl presentation look nice. I'm gonna put the steak here on the corner. Then I'm gonna add my corn, my black beans. Then I'm gonna add that pico de gallo we made, cheese, some guacamole, some green onions, and you don't have to, but I love these jalapenos. I love the red and the green jalapenos. And of course, that homemade crema sauce that we made earlier. And then we gotta top it off with our extra Blackstone tequila lime seasoning. Are you kidding me? This was so simple. Between the canned goods I used, the already pre-cut meat that my nice butcher did for me, this could not be easier, simplistic. Remember, just add a couple of homemade things here and there like that crema we made. Gotta dip into this. It looks amazing. Gotta try to get a little bit of everything because there's so much going on in here. A little bit of the sauce, a little bit of the corn. All right, here we go. Just a few fun techniques. You've got fresh ingredients, yummy seasoning, and just like that, you've got the perfect weeknight meal. But hey, listen, no matter what, at the end of the day, you want to keep it quick, you want to keep it simple, and you gotta keep it delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I'll see you on the next episode.